Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Toman again. We are on to our math lessons. We were doing a lot about 3D shapes. We were talking about a sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Today we're going to explore 2D shapes, which I know you know already. It is the flat shapes. And if you see the picture that we're looking at here, all the shapes they are flat, just like our ones in the classroom. I know you also know the flat face of the cylinder is a circle. Very good job. So this is a flat, this shape here is a circle, so that's the 2D shape. So before we get on to the lesson, I want to do a little game with our numbers in the teens. We've played this game. So the first thing I want to ask you is, does 10 and 2 make 12? 10 and 2 make 12. Let's see. Yes, it does. 10 and 2 make 12. Good. So if you have 10 and 8, what number would you have if you put 8 over 0? That's right, 18. It's 10 and 5. 15. About 10 and 4. 14. About 10 and 6. 16. 10 and 7. 17. 10 and 9 equals 19. 10 and 1 is 11. Last one, 10 and 3, 13. Very good. Good job. So now let's go on to our shapes. So the first shape that we are going to be talking about is a circle. Is a circle curvy or straight? Yes, it is curvy. It has no straight lines. How many sides are on a circle? Correct. There are 0 sides. Okay, what is this shape? Yes, this is a triangle. Does a triangle have curvy lines or straight lines? That's right. A triangle has straight lines. How many sides are on a triangle? Yes, there are 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sides on a triangle. Let's talk about vertices. Vertices is a fancy word for corners. How many corners are on a triangle? Well, the corners are where the green dots are. It's where a line meets a line. So let's count the corners, the vertices. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 vertices. So today for your work, I would like you to draw a picture of a circle. And I want you to go around the room and count how many circles you can find. And then when you're done, I want you to write the number you found. So if you found 6 circles in your room, I would like you to write the number 6 next to the circle. If you found 7, I would like you to write the number 7. See how many you can find. Then after you find all the circles, I want you to draw a triangle. And I'd like you to go around your room or at your house, and I want you to find all the triangles you can find. And I want you to write the number of triangles. So if you found 10 triangles, you're going to write 10 right next to the triangle. All right, happy hunting. I can't wait to find out how many shapes, circles, and triangles you found out. I'll see you tomorrow.